Terlalu kurus pun tak boleh, overweight pun tak boleh. Dia kena just nice,
Normal.
BMI normal lah.
BMI.
So you should strive for that. Tapi kalau you don't go and check up, you pun tak tahu BMI you normal ke tidak. So kita pun tak tahu. Kita tak boleh nak prepare kan. Katakan you getting married next year. So this year you dah aim dah to lose weight. So that by the time you get married, insyaAllah you can get a normal BMI. Sebab apa? Sekarang ni ialah macam-macam dekat market kan. Ubat nak help you to lose weight. Ubat-ubat nak lose weight ni pula is not advisable if you're trying to get pregnant. But if you're still single, belum lagi kahwin kan, go ahead. Ambil
so buat
segala
semua
ubat
tu dulu sebelum kahwin.
So that you tak ada lengahkan masa. Kalau you dah kahwin, lagi
Baru
seronok asyik pergi holiday, makan, berat lagi naik.
Ya, betul.
Lepas tu baru kita jom kita turun berat badan. So masa kan, masa
berjalan.
Yes, masa berjalan.